Israeli Prime Minister
Can I reveal, Jared, how long we've known you?
leaves today for a trip to the Middle East to try to jumpstart high-stakes talks with both the Israelis and Palestinians on peace that has evaded presidents of both parties since before the 36-year-old was born.
I think we're going to make a deal.
A White House official acknowledges any peace agreement would take time, cautioning this is just the first of what will probably be many trips to the region by Kushner and others, working closely with Secretary of State Rex Tillerson and